What if I tell you that you can turn any light on or off using a simple TV remote? No microcontroller, no Arduino, just a NE555 IC and one transistor. Let's build this remote-controlled on-off circuit step by step. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love simple electronics projects that actually work, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming videos. For this circuit, I am using one NE555 IC, one BC547 NPN transistor, two 10K ohm 1/4 watt resistors, one 100K ohm 1/4 watt resistor, one 220 ohm 1/4 watt resistor, one 0.1 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, one infrared sensor, and a 12-volt DC battery or power supply. Now let's start with the circuit connections. First, take the NE555 IC and connect pin 2 and pin 6 together. After that, connect pin 4 and pin 8 together. Next, take a 10K ohm resistor and connect it between pin 6 and pin 8 of the IC. Now take the second 10K ohm resistor and connect it between pin 1 and pin 2. Then take a 100K ohm resistor and connect one side of it to pin 3 of the IC. Now take the 0.1 microfarad capacitor. Connect its negative terminal to pin 1 and its positive terminal to the free end of the 100K ohm resistor. Now take the BC547 transistor. Connect the emitter pin of the transistor to pin 6 of the NE555 IC. Connect the collector pin to the positive terminal of the 0.1 microfarad capacitor. Next, take a 220 ohm resistor and connect it to pin 4 or pin 8 of the IC, whichever is easier for you. This resistor is used to supply positive voltage to the infrared sensor. Now connect the infrared sensor. One side of the IR sensor goes to the 220 ohm resistor. The other side goes to the base of the BC547 transistor. Very important tip, carefully solder the anode and cathode of the infrared diode. If you connect them incorrectly, the circuit will not work. Tip, if your circuit is not working, simply swap the sensor pins and try again. We will take the output from pin number 3 of the NE555 IC. In my case, I am using a 12-volt LED light, but you can also use a relay to control high voltage or high power devices. Now connect the power supply. Negative terminal of the battery to pin 1 of the IC. Positive terminal to pin 8 of the IC. Now take any remote control and point it toward the IR sensor. The tested range of this circuit is up to 6 meters. If you want more range, comment below and I'll show you how to improve it. Now let me explain how this circuit works. The NE555 IC is used here as a latching and timing controller. It changes its output state when it receives a signal from the infrared sensor. The infrared sensor detects the IR signal from the remote and sends it to the base of the BC547 transistor. The BC547 transistor acts as a signal amplifier, making the weak IR signal strong enough to trigger the NE555 IC. As a result, the output at pin 3 toggles, turning the load on or off every time you press the remote button. I have made this circuit without using a PCB, just to clearly show you the connections. You can make it more professional by designing it on a PCB. As you can see, our circuit is working perfectly. If you found this project useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want a long-range version, PCB design, or relay upgrade. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.